out today. Doing pretty good myself. We got a special guest star here. Meow Yun's going to be helping us with our unboxing, if you will. So I know we only did this a couple of weeks ago, but I obviously get a monthly MunchPak, and I want to set a rotation where I get them and not have to wait a week or two every single time I get them. So we're gonna do it now, basically, and then next month it'll come around the same time, so we'll start the monthly rotation properly. So last time we had, or 2 times ago, we had Nick who did ours, and then Roxanne did ours. So we'll see who's doing ours today, and so go ahead, Meow Yun.
You got any scissors?
I do not. This one will take a while.
Did not take a while.
Surprising. All right, what do we got? Right?
But
Roxanne!
They got new cards
Wow.
though. They're a lot better than they were.
Yeah, look at the. This is old Roxanne. Now look at the new Roxanne.
Ooh, it's cute. It's much cuter.
And then put the info in the back here. So we got enter to win a free fan tag. New winners announced the 25th. So you got that right there. Not bad. I really like this new design here.
Here's
So
what we got.
this is the stuff. She's gonna put her to work this time. So, like usual, we're going to go through each item individually and check them out, tell you where they're from and what kind of stuff they are, and then we're going to try as much as we can if time is allotted. But
Joshua is gonna like this one.
Oh, I'm excited.
This is one of those jelly drinks.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know what jelly drinks are. I'm originally from Indiana. They do not have them. A lot of Asian stores have them.
Cute.
But yeah, they're like basically like
It's like liquefied Jello, right?
Yeah. So you're drinking like a juice pack, and there's chunks of jelly in there, so it's really, really good.
This is musket flavor too.
Oh, I love musket. Oh, I love it. So musket flavored is like a grape flavor. It's almost identical to grape. Now you forgot to tell them though, this was made in Japan. So
Is it a Japanese?
right on the front it says made. It says
Oh, where?
Japan.
Oh, they say on the front now where they're
Oh,
from.
that's so cool. So originally you guys
That's
saw,
cool.
yeah, you saw us like fishing around, stuff like that. Now they actually have them. That is really cool.
I like that.
Great job, guys.
That's really good.
That's really cool
Okay,
too.
next one is pizzetti. It's like pizza chips, it looks like.
Nice, yeah. Or cheese chips.
7 tomato and garlic flavor, crunchy bagel style chips. Ooh,
And
I love bagel.
oh, they got a full description right on the front, so kind of we can read it off to you.
This
So,
is from Bulgaria.
so, and I'm going back to the drink originally. So we said musket flavor. So to give you guys an idea, their description was sweet white grape juice with grape flavored jelly. So like I said, the musket tastes like grape. Might even be some sort of
Made with real cheese.
real cheese. Very good. My turn.
Okay.
All right. So we got Piper's Crisp Company, made by farmers. Lycross? Cheddar and onion. So it's crunchy chips packed with cheddar and onion flavors from the United Kingdom.
I think we got this company last time. It was a sour cream and onion or something.
Yeah, that's pretty exciting.
Maybe?
So this is so far all in the try pile, so.
Okay, the next one is a honey stinger. It looks like one of those waffle things that we got before.
Yeah.
This is from Canada. It's honey stinger salted caramel waffle. This sounds pretty good.
Did you get a zone close up on that? I'll be grabbing the next
Ooh,
item because I know
looks
exactly.
cute.
I know exactly what I'm gonna be grabbing. Gummies, baby! Oh my god, that's awesome. So it's Trolley Sweet Kicks with Sour Glam. It's obviously made in the U.S., so it is chewy lime, raspberry, lemon berry punch, and strawberry blackberry sneaker-shaped gummies.
Never seen a sneaker shape.
James Harden.
Again, James
Yeah.
Harden. He's got a lot of gummies.
Yeah, he does actually. So we'll be putting that in the try pile.
Okay, next one. Oh, what's this? This is Lollipops Candy Laser. Wow.
That's cool.
Cool Tunes Laser Lollipops. Raspberry, cherry apple, blue raspberry flavored lollipops with glow in the dark sticks from Mexico.
Ah, Mexico.
That's pretty cool.
That is really cool, actually.
It's like a fun little toy almost.
Yeah. What else do we got here? So we got another type of waffle thing here.
Oh, that's a wafer.
A wafer. Okay, so we got that right there. Pretty tasty looking.
Caramel.
Caramel. No, that's caramel. I like caramel. Some people say caramel. That's kind of weird. All right, white and red flag caramel heaven wafers. Soft and chewy wafers filled with rich caramel cream from Poland. Yummy.
Ooh. Nutella Be Ready.
Oh.
It's crunchy bread-shaped wafers filled with Nutella from Poland. These look good. I love Nutella.
See, Meow Yun is always happy when we get the MunchPak, so she's been watching her sugar lately because you gotta watch your sugar. I don't watch my sugar because I don't care, but this girl does. So every time we get these MunchPaks, The rules fly right out the window. Alright. Oh, yes. Glorious Las Severinas Glorious. Chewy candies made from goat milk and milky and crunchy pecans. Not pecans. From Mexico. Cool.
Mexico. Okay, next one is Fizzy Tornadoes. Chewy berry flavored gummy sticks covered with sour sugar. Oh, so it's kind of like Sour Patch Kids or something, but in a straw.
Where's it from?
Spain.
And last item. Those do look fun, actually. So the last item, it's Pocky. So we've already tried this before. So basically, I mean, I don't know
Cookies and cream.
it's cookies and cream Pocky, but I'll give you the description for posterity. Glecia Pajoy cookies and cream flavor, crunchy cookie sticks filled with sweet milk cream from Thailand.
You've seen that.
Yeah, so nothing
So
new
we
on
want
this.
to try that one. That one's
And
kind
we're
of.
just showing the inside of the box. Everything looks cool.
Yeah,
They got
so
the
that was everything.
empty, all kinds of good stuff. So we're not going to try this. We're good to go on that. You guys know what Pocky tastes like. Most of you know what cookies and cream tastes like. So therefore, you can put 2 and 2 together, or 1 and 1 to make 2. All right. So I am going to dig right into
To
this.
the gummies.
No, to the jelly drink.
Oh, a jelly drink.
So it is not too much sugar in this. There's only 8 grams of sugar, and so here's the nutritional facts of those. You can just take a quick peek. Boop, 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 boop. That's all you get. You can pause it if you like. I'm going to try to show you guys these things so that
How are you going to show it, though?
so every time I eat something, I'm going to show the screen while I'm talking about it, and then they're going to look at it, and that way if they order this Munch Pack, they may say we want to stay away from certain products, or we may want to have certain products. So you can tell me if the comments.
Oh, I thought you meant you're going to show the liquid.
Oh, no. I guess that.
Oh,
Oh,
God.
oh man! Alright, well, I think you guys saw that, but. That's so good. So what I can do, if you don't mind me, Young, you'll open your mouth. I'm gonna pour a little bit in your mouth.
I don't want to do that.
Just so they can see the squirt.
They just probably saw it
Did they
squirt
see it?
out. Well, this is what it looks like on the inside since Josh dropped it on the table.
Oh, that's a good idea.
It's like a little jelly, but there's liquid inside too. It's almost like
I'm gonna try it like that.
like bubble tea, but it's not the same kind of boba. Oh my god, you're making a mess.
It's actually, it's good.
It's good, not
It's-
that good?
It's really good. It'd be better cold, obviously. I think I have a little sippy sip. So it isn't super sweet like some of them, which you might actually like a little better because you don't like glowingly sweet things. It's kind of a light, grapey, light sweet flavor. It doesn't have a lot of sugar. Some of them have like 20 grams, and then you can really taste the sweetness. But I do like that. You don't have to take it away. You can put it in your mouth.
Oh, you're gonna keep drinking
Yeah, I'm
it?
just saying.
It's not that good, but you're gonna keep drinking it.
I never said it wasn't that good. I said it wasn't that amazing. Alright, so what's next? Charlie Gummies, just too long.
No, my turn. Let's try the Nutella. That sounds
Alright.
good. I want to try
good,
this.
actually.
These are from Poland. We had a bunch of Poland stuff.
Did you show them the nutrition label?
Doesn't matter.
Wow, I just said I was making that plan. But okay, never mind. Plan's off. Nope, she doesn't want to do it.
want to look at it.
Yeah.
I know, he's not focusing.
Fine. We're canceling that. We were going to do it, but she's made so.
Oh, it's 2 sticks.
Alright.
Individually wrapped.
So we should share one and save the other for later.
Yeah. You didn't like these.
I like Nutella. What are you talking about? I'm not crazy like some people are. Ooh. That looks
These
really
look like a really crispy, crunchy wafer.
Yeah, that looks really good
Like
actually.
new texture. It's almost like those happy hippos. If
Yeah.
you ever had those.
Hurry up now, you're so slow.
Ooh. Inside. Tasty.
Cross section, if you will. And they're about this big, including the one that she just ate, so.
Mmm.
Oh wow.
Mmm.
That's almost like a rice paper, it's so crispy. It's so light.
It reminds me
Mmm.
of Ferrero Rocher.
Mmm.
Exactly like that, without the hazelnuts on the outside.
That's really good.
Which actually, these aren't. Nutella is made by Ferrero, the same company that makes them.
Ah, yeah. I want to keep
So-
eating this, so we'll have to wait for later though, because we're running out of time. Oh wow, that's so good. I highly
It's
recommend
really, really
that.
good.
Oh, way to go, Roxanne.
Very good.
Mmm.
Maybe who doesn't like Nutella? Come on.
Wow, that's so good. Alright, let's dig into this.
Pizza chips.
Yeah, let's pick up the pace a little bit. Tomato. I don't know what Taylor is.
It says on the front. On the label.
Oh. Crunchy bagel slash chips made with Taylor. Same thing.
What?
With Taylor.
I don't know what that
No, either. Let's see. She didn't know either. Where is the opening? This is weird. Alright, I got it. You know?
They smell like pizza?
They smell like the Emmentaler.
Oh. But you didn't know what it was.
I know what it smells like. The bag is very... Oh, Jiminy Christmas. It's like bread. It is like a little bagel.
You said it was a bagel, Chef. Give me half of that, actually.
Really? Wow.
Oh, this front has you can see the cheese.
Mm.
The cheese pieces.
Wow.
They're pretty good.
Wow. They're good.
I like that.
Wow. It kind of reminds me of the chips we had in Japan. Well, that's really good. We're on that.
Next, let's try.
I'm gonna put.
Oh, jelly drink gummies.
I'm gonna put the gummies aside. You guys know what those taste like, just for time's sake. I'll be eating those later. I assure you.
Let's try this thing, the honey stinger.
Right.
Sounds pretty interesting. It's a salted caramel, so there's not actually honey in it. That's just the brand. They have these at Starbucks. These kind of waffle things.
Oh.
It smells like honey though. It does smell like honey. Maybe they do have honey somewhere.
That does smell like honey. Let me taste one. That's different. It's not what I expected.
No, there's no honey in it. But it does smell like honey.
Just a caramel. Oh, it's not what I expected. It's good though. I like it. Maybe. Hold on.
It's not bad.
After the no.
You don't like it?
The initial taste was good, but then it starts to get funky at the end. Oh.
It's organic. USDA organic.
Well, actually, so when the wafer melts down with my spit, I don't like the wafer as much, but the caramel inside's really good. So I keep going back and forth because I taste caramel and melty wafer. So. Try these.
There's no honey in it, but they say it's. They say honey right on the back too. Honey-based energy foods, but there's no honey in the ingredients.
That's really weird.
Oh wait, there it is. Organic honey. Never mind.
She didn't read the label. So I know you guys probably all want to see this, so I will, even though we all probably. Oh, these are cool. They're all individually wrapped. Ha!
You got a lollipop, so.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna suckle on it and then be done with it, and then eat it later. I'll eat it like, oh yeah. Where's the laser?
Oh, it's a glow stick, not a laser.
Break it? Like, how do you?
Yeah, you gotta break it like a glow stick.
Are you sure?
Well, that's how glow sticks work.
That's good flavor. You don't need to try it. You don't need to suckle after I suckle.
Have your spit. Whoa.
That's actually really good. Well, I mean, it's a lollipop.
What flavor is that? Cherry?
This one was cherry, yeah. Step one.
It's a glow stick. You gotta break it.
Yeah. You gotta twist it, it says.
Not in your mouth.
Oh, did I do it? Oh, here we go. There we go. Yep. That's actually pretty cool. A sucker that's a glow stick. Come on, that's really fun. You take it to like events like 4th of July, eating suckers and having glow sticks popping out of your mouth. You'd never lose your kids again. All right, so that's actually really cool. So we got time for maybe one or two more. So I'm not gonna do this. We already had a wafer type thing, so I'll put that aside. This is a gummy thing. I think that's already gonna be good.
It's probably really good, actually.
You want to try this? I don't think we need to try these. Which one of these three?
That one sounds more unusual.
This one? Yeah,
The glorious.
This is cheddar onion chips, so we know what these are gonna do. All right, so let's.
These are dulce de leche. They're upside down.
This is really cool.
That would be cool for kids.
It really would be.
Definitely a kids thing.
I'm not really interested in this
Dulce de leche.
because it's made with goat's milk. Go ahead.
Wow, it's so mushy looking. It's like a little turd.
It does look like a little turd. Can you break it in half or break some off?
It smells like caramel.
It does, actually. Could be. Oh, geez, it is so mushy. It's easy to tear off. All right. So we'll just kind of take a little piece off here. Here you
I
go.
want the small piece.
The cat hair on that.
You want a hair on that.
I'll have a small piece too. So sticky.
Is there nothing? The pecans, right?
Oh, yeah. I think I like it.
It's not bad.
It's pretty good. I wouldn't order it, but...
You wouldn't order it?
I wouldn't... Well...
It's not bad.
It's crazy. It's made with goat's milk, too, so I don't know if, like... I don't know if some of you have aversion to eating cow, but... people are lactose intolerant. Can they have goat's milk?
I don't know.
No, either. Alright. Cool. Last one.
It has kind of a... The aftertaste is kind of... goaty. Makes me want to gag. Are you getting that?
Now that you're saying that, it's actually making it really gaggy.
Like grass. It tastes like grass. I think it's the goat milk. I don't like it. Let me some of that. I don't need a drink.
Kind of getting the grass now. Oh god, that's so gross. Definitely wouldn't get it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Last one. These bad boys right here. Look at that.
Oh, that thing started out pretty good, but when you get to the middle, it's like that. The gaminess, the gamey taste of like. I don't like it.
No, thank you. If you like goat's milk, you can get your own. These actually look really good. They're really good.
These are so cute. I love these.
These are really cute. They're really. I love the colors, and they're really tasty, actually.
They're hollow on the inside. They're good. Obviously, I knew these were gonna be good.
Need something to cleanse the palate after that goat's milk.
Oh.
Woo! Alright, so we didn't eat everything. We got a couple of things. We got those chips and whatnot. We already had some chips and some crunchies. So other than that, this is an awesome munch pack once again. Roxanne, heck of a job. You're quite the lady when it comes to that. Try not to get me any goat's milk next time, please. But yeah, ultimately I'm very happy with this. I can't wait until next month. This is a super fun box to have.
It's really cool.
I've had loot crates, had munch packs, I've had blah blahs and anime crates and all the rest of them. I definitely like this the best, not because they are asking me to say so, it's because I like food and candy, and there's a ton in there. It took us like 18 minutes, and we still have a few more things to go.
Yeah.
So definitely like it, and I highly approve. Other than that, I'd like to thank you all for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and thank Meow Yun for her taste buds once again today. Alrighty guys, have a good one, Meow. Oh, and one last thing, happy Mother's Day to all those amazing moms out there, and then happy Mother's Day to all those dads who are both dads and moms, and then of course, when Father's Day's coming around, do the same for mom. So happy Mother's Day once again, and have a good one, guys.